What's going on, everybody? Black LimitedX here with another video for you guys, and this one is going to be a little unexpected. This is something I actually wasn't planning on doing to my interior, but it was a nice little Christmas gift I got from my baby sister, so shout out to her for this. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, you guys, so like I said, in today's video we're going to be doing something that I wasn't expecting to do, but something I think is going to turn out very nice. It's going to be something that you'll be able to do to your truck, car, whatever it is. But let's go ahead and take a look. And what it is, LED strips for your interior. It's by a company called Govee. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but if not, I apologize. But I will, as always, leave a link down in the description for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna get that installed, see how they come out, see how they look. But first, we're gonna go ahead and get this dirty girl washed up and clean. So let's go ahead and get it started, and then we off. Due to some technical difficulties, I was not able to film washing the car, but I did get it all nice and cleaned up. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, she looks absolutely breathtaking. Top to bottom, she looks good. Yeah, we got her all cleaned up and nice, so she's gonna be good for a while. Like I said, today we're gonna be installing some LED strips inside the interior. Let's just go ahead and get it opened up right now. Take everything out the box. I had pre-opened this up, so don't worry if it's all over the place. I just checked it out. But okay, so as you see, we have two LED strips, one for the front set, one for the back. We have the controller module where there is a power button. I'm thinking this is the color change button, and this is the brightness button. Not sure, but this is the power source that you plug into your outlet. So let me go ahead and get this separated. Here's the instructions. Also too, it comes with the controller. It's pretty neat. Got your power button, auto button, play button. There's a music mode that you can set to. If you have your music playing, the lights will flicker or blink according to your music. You got your different red, green, blue color, white, your brightness setting, and this is for other colors as well. It's a mode button and 2 speed buttons. So there's that. They also include zip ties. I love when companies include zip ties for cable management, so that's a good little addition. This is just a disclaimer info. Okay, yeah, so this shows how it's supposed to be laid out. Make sure you guys can get that in there. Make sure you guys can get that. That's how it's supposed to be laid out. You have the control module in the front with the little power source. You have one side, front and rear, and then your driver's side, front and rear. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up how it should be. So this goes here, and then this side will be in the front, and this side will be the passenger. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that hooked up. We're actually going to start in the front here. I want you guys to get in here and see. I'm going to be mounting the light up here because up under is some felt line material. So I doubt that the adhesive is going to stick to it. So we're going to just put it here, and same on the other side. I'm going to be taping that because that adhesive was not as strong as I thought it was, and obviously you can see as it came off, so we're going to be retaping that, but I'm going to do that off camera because that's not what this video is about. We're just worried about the LED strips, but I just wanted you guys to see where I'm going to be mounting because I'm sure that I'm going to be in the way of the camera, just for fair warning. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. Always clean off any surface that you're going to be sticking adhesive to because you want to make sure there's no grease or anything that it won't allow it to stick to. So I just have some Armorall cleaning wipes, and that should get the job done. Take a wipe, put that there. have some microfiber tiles that you can go ahead and dry this area off so it's not just sitting there wet. So once that's done, then I'm going to take the LED strip, take off the backing for the adhesive here, take that backing off. Hopefully it's strong enough to stay. Kind of get it centered and press it on there. Just like that. There it is. It is sticking on there fairly well. It's not coming off. The adhesive seems to be strong. Time will tell if that holds up. But it is sticking on there, so I'm going to continue along. And then for the back part, in the same area, same concept, I'm going to be putting it up under because there's some felt line material here. It's real soft. It's not going to stick to that, so I'm going to put it on the back of the seat there, but it should still look nice. That is also sticking on there very well. As you can see, it's kind of tucked off up under there, but it is sticking very well. So now that side is done. The front side is done. Like I said, don't worry about cable management. I will take care of that. I just actually want to get it mounted. Same concept. Like I said, we're going to be right up under here where the glove box compartment, because after that there's some felt material that I know that it's not going to stick to. So, but also quick note, they do include screws that you can mount with, but I absolutely am not screwing in my vehicle anywhere, so I doubt anybody's gonna want to screw in their damn vehicle, so that's out the question. We don't need that. Alright, so as you all can see, got them all mounted up. Let's go ahead and check them again. Got that front one mounted up, sticking very well. Go ahead, go back, check this back part. It is sticking very well. Let's go ahead and check the other side. It is sticking very well. And check the front. Same thing, it's sticking on there very well. And like I said, this is without having to screw it, because we are absolutely not doing that. We actually have extra 3M adhesive. I bought a new pack, so if we needed to do that, then we could. So as you all can tell, it turned out absolutely phenomenal. I think we should go ahead and get this all cleaned up and see what it looks like. And voila, we are back, we are here. It's now nighttime, as you all can see, and will you look at that, we got the lights going in the truck right now. They came out absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and get close and check them out. So as you all can tell, they came out absolutely great. Don't mind the dirty carpet. Cable management wise, I just taped it up for now. I tried to find some black tape to blend in, but all I could find was this gray, but that still turned out nice. And then in the back here, we didn't have to tape anything in the back except when we actually stuck it on there. The cord will actually just hang down. No one really steps in that area. My son's car seat goes here, so no one's really sitting here ever. Other side, same deal. Nice. On the passenger side, the same thing. We just had it routed around, going down, make sure cords aren't in anyone's way. They're just coming back here in the back. I have the little module piece mounted right here. There's just some 3M adhesive. That's gonna sit there for now. I mean, there's a lot of cordage still left, as you see, tucked up in there. So I'm gonna get something to block that because there's so many cords sticking out. So when I try to close it, it won't stay because of these cords here coming out. So I'm gonna get something to kind of try to close, just cover up this area here. But yeah, other than that, it turned out very nice. The lights themselves are very bright, even during the daytime. I'm gonna do a review on them in another video of the system, and it won't be much. I mean, it's just the basics, but there is an app. It's pretty easy to use. I'm gonna go over that as well. But yeah, these turned out great. Like I said, I had no plans on doing this to my interior, so yeah, those turned out great. I don't regret it. Like I said, the kids, they love it. My daughter, she absolutely loves these lights. She already loves the truck as it is, so that's fun. But yeah, with that being said, if this is your first time watching my videos, I want to say thank you and welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys. And for those of you who have been watching my channels from day one, I want to say thank you as well. You all are greatly appreciated, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.